his class today, just for today. Okay. So let's continue with what we were doing. I guess we were doing
আমি বললে করে দেবো, কিন্তু পরে আবার বলবেন যে না এটা বললেন করে দেবো, অসুবিধা নেই। এই স্ক্যানার আমার অন্য কালার, ইয়েলো কালার আছে, এই কালার আছে।
okay, we are almost at the end. We were doing this problem, remember this problem we were doing. So this is the formula what you have to remember. The surface area of revolution about x-axis is this. The last one is the formula 2 pi a to b y 1 plus dy dx whole square dx. Again, as usual, the requirement is the function has to be written as y is equal to f form. Did we finish this one?
Yes, sir. हो गया.
Okay. Finally, okay. Now, can you tell me, by looking at this formula, what will be the area of surface of revolution about y-axis? Can you tell me? क्या होगा formula?
Y की जगह x हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ, तो बताओ क्या होगा?
2 pi integration x into 1 plus dx by dy whole square
into
dy
बस
into dy. हाँ.
बस हो गया, ये रहा. This is the formula. So basically, if you observe carefully, you have to remember two formula. एक volume का, एक surface का. एक x axis के लिए जो है वही है. So basically, if we go from the beginning, this is one formula. ये रहा. Pi a to b y square dx या pi fx square dx और उसके लिए gy square dy. Similarly, surface के लिए ये रहा 2 pi a to b y 1 plus dy dx का होल स्क्वायर dx. चलो खत्म, और कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पर. एक करते
सर y कब होगा अक्रॉस x एक्सिस जब होगा?
अबाउट x एक्सिस तब ये फॉर्मूला for the equation of the curve should be in the form y is equal to fx. सेम चीज जैसे वॉल्यूम में किया था, यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ पर फंक्शन शुड बी रिटन एज g x is equal to g of y और ये हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला. बस सेम थिंग जो हमने वॉल्यूम में किया था वही. ठीक है? इज दैट ओके?
हाँ सर.
चलो एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं, ये वाला y axis with the arc of the parabol y is equal to x square. This is y is equal to x square. From 1 1 to 2 4, this is rotated about y axis. Find the area of the resulting surface. तो ये बकेट टाइप कुछ बनेगा, है ना? है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर. हाँ सर.
तो ये जो CD है, ये किसका लिमिट है? x का लिमिट है, y का लिमिट? बताओ तो. जो CD है, CD
x का लिमिट है सर.
नहीं,
y का सर. सर y का.
The variable is dy. हम ऐसे देखते हैं, variable is dy. So can you tell यहाँ पर वो CD क्या है from this diagram? कहाँ से कहाँ तक होगा?
2,4. नहीं सॉरी 1 से 4.
1 से 4.
सर 4 से 1.
1 से 4. 4 से has no meaning. 1 से 4, है ना? y करे. हाँ सर. 1 से 4. 1 से और क्या करने अपने को?
एक ही बात है सर.
नहीं, उल्टा माइनस नेगेटिव साइन है. 1 से 4 एंड 4 से 1 दे आर नेगेटिव ऑफ ईच अदर. एक कैसे हो गया
सर? जब लिखेंगे तब तो क्लोज ब्रैकेट में 1,4 क्लोज ब्रैकेट लिखेंगे ना?
हाँ, 1 से 4 इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 1 to 4 and integration from 4 to 1, they are negative of each other, है ना? That's what I'm saying. चलो, और what else do we need? The function has to be written, the equation has to be written in the form x as g of y. So what is g of y?
रूट y हो जाएगा.
रूट y हो जाएगा. देखो वही क्या हुआ इन लोगों ने. x इक्वल टू रूट y लेकर फिर dx dy निकाला. वी नीड dx dy, फिर सब बैठा दिया तो 1 to 4, सी 1 से लेकर 4 तक जो होगा होगा, x इज रूट y, सब बैठा के फाइनली ये आ गया, दिस इज द आंसर। बस खत्म, और कुछ नहीं इस चैप्टर में, इतना ही है। ठीक है, चलो लेट्स डू 2 or 3 प्रॉब्लम्स। चलो लेट्स डू दिस वन। Try to draw the diagram and do this. डायग्राम बना, how to do this, tell me.
सर ये तो स्ट्रेट लाइन ही है ना?
हाँ स्ट्रेट लाइन ही है, बिल्कुल लिखा तो लाइन से तो लिखा है।
सर आंसर पाई।
पाई, अच्छा व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स?
सर √2 पाई।
√2 पाई,
हाँ सर √2 पाई, एक रूट तो छूट गया।
पाई √2।
√2 पाई।
अच्छा पाई √2, okay yes, I think that's the correct answer, पाई √2। गुड।
सर पाई कैसे आएगा?
पाई तो फॉर्मूले में है ना एक 2 पाई, इसका डायग्राम कुछ ऐसा बना है, चलो चेक कर।
सर सिमिलर टू कोन बनेगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, पाई तो रहेगा ना एक।
सर लेकिन फॉर्मूला में तो x का जो वैल्यू होगा वही बैठाया जाएगा ना बस।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, लेकिन पाई भी तो है ना एक फॉर्मूले में, देखो ये रहा पाई है ना, ये 2 पाई।
ओ सॉरी मैं आधा फॉर्मूला लिखा सर।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये है लाइन सेगमेंट, सॉरी ये है लाइन सेगमेंट, इजंट इट? x plus y is equal to 1, y between 0 to 1, this is rotated about, क्या लिखा हुआ है, this is rotated about y axis, है ना? तो कुछ ऐसा इस टाइप का कोण बनेगा, है कि नहीं? ऐसा कोण बनेगा। गॉट इट?
हाँ सर।
चलो, पाई बाय रूट 2 है ना?
पाई√2।
√2
पाई
सर।
सर पाई रूट टू।
पाई रूट 2, गुड गुड, चलो पाई रूट 2। चलो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे, देन विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। जस्ट फाइंड द एरिया पार्ट, वॉल्यूम don't need to do the volume part, just the area part. Draw the diagram and tell me. Done?
सर आंसर 2 पाई बी रूट ओवर बी प्लस लॉग बी होगा.
to 2 pi b
हाँ सर 2 पाई बी.
by फिर उसके बाद
सर 2 पाई बी रूट ओवर बी प्लस लॉग बी.
अदर्स शायद नहीं है ये शायद नहीं है.
नहीं हो
सर
पा रहा
इंटीग्रेशन में रूट हटाया जा सकता है सर.
मतलब नहीं नहीं
मतलब
नहीं नहीं नहीं
खोल के स्क्वायर कर दे दूसरे साइड.
नहीं 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 वैसा नहीं होता.
So will you show this how to do?
हाँ 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 because this is I don't think this is the answer. चलो first let's draw the diagram. In a parabola y square is equal to 4x. So what kind of parabola is this? Y square is equal to
राइट साइड में
4x.
होगा.
राइट साइड में होगा ऐसा
Right
कुछ है.
side.
This is the thing. Y square is equal to 4x. And the straight line x equal to b. So how is this line x equal to b?
पैरेलल टू
कैसा है?
एक्सिस.
पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस. तो एरिया एनक्लोज्ड बोला है. सो b पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कुछ बताया नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली हम इस तरफ नहीं लेंगे. It makes no sense. So obviously we are going to take b as something like this. This is equal to b. इधर लेते हैं तो कोई एरिया तो एनक्लोज होगा नहीं. इधर लेते हैं तो we have to find an area enclosed and this is y square is equal to 4x. चलो fine. Now what are they saying? They are saying it is revolved about x-axis. The area enclosed by parabola and the straight line. This is find the area. So अपना ये है क्या कहते हैं इसको. So this portion is rotated about x-axis है ना. Okay.
हाँ.
So basically अपने को we need only this area of this portion. I mean equation of this portion only. If we this इसका ही चाहिए अपने को, है कि नहीं? We want equation of this portion only, because if this is symmetric, isn't it? If I rotate this, I get the same thing. Formula के लिए for finding the surface area, we need the equation of this part only. ठीक है, चलो tell me, let's write the formula surface के लिए. What was the formula? 2 pi, लिख लेता हूँ पहले. So this is x-axis. So what is this? This is 0. How much is this?
B.
This is b.
B.
0 to b. Formula देख लेते हैं एक बार.
Y.
X in this is y. So y into 1 plus divided x whole square. Y into 1 plus y1 divide dx is y1 whole square dx. This is the formula. Chalo. Now tell me what is the equation of this part? What is the equation of this part? In terms of y is equal to fx form.
Y equals to 2 root ax.
हाँ, y is equal to 2 into root ax. ये है. चलो करते हैं फिर. What is y1? So y square is 4x. So 2y y1 is 4a. So y1 is 2a by y. So 2a by 2ax. 2 कट जाएगा और एक रूट a भी कटेगा. Will be left with
हाँ.
a by x का रूट.
Root.
ये रहेगा. बैठाओ सब. So this is 2 pi 0 to b. y के जगह बैठा दो 2 ax. ये हो गया 1 y1 का मतलब 1 प्लस y1 का स्क्वायर मतलब a by x. a by x का दिस यही होगा. करेक्ट.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
देखो तो वो कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है और कुछ देखो ये 2 तो बाहर जाएगा. ये 2 बन गया, ये 4 बन गया. ये रूट a बाहर जाएगा तो 4 पाई रूट a हो गया. अच्छा, और 0 to b. ये रूट x कैंसिल हो जाएगा यानी a प्लस यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ a प्लस x दिस ओनली. ठीक है.
हाँ सर, ये गलती हो गई.
इसका कैसे इंटीग्रेट करें? ये तो सिंपल है. 4
Yes, sir.
so 4 pi root a. What is integration of this?
1 by 2 root a
1
plus
by
x.
2 root a plus x.
नहीं. No.
Sir, 2 into a plus x to the power 3 by 2.
नहीं.
2 by 3 x plus a to the power 3 by 2.
2 by 3. हाँ. 2 by 3. नीचे 3 by 2 है ना?
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ, हम डिफरेंशिएट.
ये होगा 2 by 3 तो बाहर. 0 to b. यहीं पे गड़बड़ की हो मेरे ख्याल से.
हाँ सर, वो गलती हो गई.
गड़बड़ यहीं पे हुआ है.
Yes,
2
sir.
by
यहीं
3.
पे.
Yes. Now you can do. Oh, this to the power 3 by 2. Sorry, this to the power 3 by 2. This is a plus x to the power 3 by 2. This whole 0 and b. Now you can do. You missed out this 2 by 3. Okay. Tell me what is the answer. लिखिए 8 pi by 3.
root a
Okay.
plus b
A plus b
to the power 3 by
3
2
by
minus a root a
a to the power 3 by 2.
3 by 2. हाँ भाई.
यही आंसर है. This is the answer. ठीक है.
हाँ सर हाँ.
चलो. This is all about volume and surface of revolution. और कुछ नहीं है. चलो. Let's start off with the first part. This is खत्म. ये module 1 खत्म except the पहला वाला part, evolute involute. That we'll do and we'll finish module 1 first. चलो. Okay. अब ये थोड़ा सा अलग ही है एकदम. So basically, they have put it this portion in the beginning, but still I do it later on because the remaining part of module 1 that we have been doing this, definitely. So what we learned first we started with learning definite integrals, then we learned what are improper integrals, then we learned application of integrals. This this area of this volume and surface area, everything is related to integral. This first part is related to differentiation, not integral. That is why they have put it before this part, but they have nothing in common. So we can do it anytime. Anyway, so this portion, evolute and involute, it is application of derivative. Remember you did like CBSE student, there was a chapter in class 12, application of derivative. बहुत बड़ा chapter था CBSE में, बहुत बड़ा chapter था. This is one of the application. तो ये एक एप्लीकेशन है, इवोल्यूट एंड इन्वर्ट. तो हम समझते हैं क्या है होता है ये. सो बेसिकली ऑल द सम्स. तो इसमें आपको इंटीग्रेशन का काम खत्म. अब इंटीग्रेशन नहीं आने वाला. द पोर्शन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन दैट वी हैव इन आवर सिलेबस इज ओवर. प्रॉपर डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल, इम्प्रॉपर इंटीग्रल, बीटा गामा फंक्शन एंड दिस वॉल्यूम सरफेस फिनिश. मोर इंटीग्रेशन इन योर सिलेबस. अब जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें सब डिफरेंशिएशन ही होने वाला है, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. चलो समझते हैं. सो वी स्टार्ट ऑफ विद दिस पोर्शन विद दिस टर्म कर्वेचर. किसे कहते हैं? सो कर्वेचर इज अ वेरी फैमिलियर टर्म. हम बहुत सुनते हैं कर्वेचर. एकदम मतलब लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज. कर्वेचर किसके साथ, लाइक विथ व्हाट थिंग वी एसोसिएट दिस टर्म कर्वेचर? सुना तो होगा. कहाँ सुना है ये? वेयर हैव यू हर्ड दिस टर्म अर्लियर? ऑप्टिक्स.
Circles.
Optics या circle या optics में curvature. So curvature is something to do with curved shapes. Whenever we have curved shapes, we talk of curvature. तो ये exact मतलब क्या जब समझते हैं. So basically curvature is the numerical measure of bending of the curve. जैसे कि हमने कहा ये curve कितना bend हो रहा है, how to measure it. That measure is called curvature. ठीक है. Now we'll formulate. We'll make formula how to measure, but basically curvature is the measure of bending. A curve is bending how much, that is measured by this term curvature at a particular point. Now how do we measure? So at a particular point on the curve, a tangent can be drawn. So this is the tangent L1. Let this line makes an angle psi with the positive axis. Curvature is defined as the magnitude of rate of change of this angle with respect to the arc length. You know the meaning arc length, right? You know the meaning arc length?
Yes.
Yes, right? So how the rate of change of psi. So this angle, so basically tan psi is what? Can you tell what is tan psi? What is tan psi?
Slope.
It is the slope. Exactly. It is the slope. So when I'm traveling from P to Q, this arc length is increasing and psi is also changing. This angle is also changing. At P, the angle is psi. At Q, the angle is psi plus delta psi. So this change, delta psi, change of rate of change of psi with respect to arc length. Precisely, this was one of the application in class 12. Rate of change, divide dx is rate of change of y with respect to x. So
Yes,
d
sir.
psi ds. So when this q is approaching p, delta s is tending to zero. The moment when delta is tending to zero, del psi del s, it becomes d psi ds. So basically, d psi ds is this, but we are not going to use this formula because it's very complicated. Finding psi, finding measuring x. This is basic definition. For any curve at this particular point, the rate of change of psi, this angle, with respect to arc length. Like when I'm changing the arc, how much angle is changed? That is the curvature. That is how we'll measure. This is how we'll measure. The first line says it is a measure of bending the curve. The curve bending means when I'm bending, when I'm traveling delta s, how much change occurs in psi. That is bending. Rate of change of angle with respect to this arc length, del psi by ds, del psi by del s. When del s tending to zero, it becomes del becomes d. This we have learned from physics. So basically, curvature is this measure is the amount, this value, the value of d psi ds. This is the basic definition. It is obvious that smaller circle bends more sharply than larger circle, and the smaller circle has a larger curvature, obviously. More the bend, higher the curvature. Curvature zero means no bend. So basically, can you tell which curve has curvature zero? MCQ question.
A straight line.
Straight line. Curvature zero means no bend. No bend means straight line. So this is an MCQ question. So more the curvature, more the bend. So this is the basic definition. But while finding curvature, this formula is not a good formula. Because as you can see, this formula, if you want to use this formula, we need this diagram, which is very difficult, isn't it? Finding, given any curve, drawing a tangent, finding psi, and finding s. So using this formula to find the curvature is very difficult. So we try to find a different way out. We'll form another formula of this, of curvature only, working formula. This is the definition. If someone asks you what is the definition, definition of curvature is d psi ds, magnitude of d psi ds. That is the definition. But for finding curvature, this is not a good working formula. It's very difficult. So let's see how can we find. But did you understand the basic meaning of curvature?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that okay? Chalo. Now we'll look for the
So
actual work
magnitude of slope is
value. This value. So for example, slope is coming minus half. So magnitude is half. We take the magnitude. How much? Half is the curvature. It may have like this del psi del s may be positive, may be negative. When we say how much it is bending, we make the magnitude. How much? Okay. The numerical value. Like
yes.
how much is bending, minus half it is bending. It makes no sense. Half, curvature is half. That is the meaning. Okay? It is something like, do you remember in geometry distance of a point from a straight line? Or remember we used to put a mod sign. Remember?
हाँ
हाँ
सर
सर
Yes.
डिस्टेंस
Yes.
The value could have come negative, but we need the mod sign. Same logic. This side is maybe negative. Rate of change, it may be negative, but we need the magnitude, the value. Okay. Chalo. Next, we have some. So we are looking for our working formula for curvature. In order to know that, we have some more terms. Circle of curvature, radius of curvature, and center of curvature. These are the three things we are going to learn. At a point P on a given curve, suppose we draw a circle. We draw a circle which just touches the curve and has the same value of the curvature, including its sign. Now, what is the meaning? At this particular point, this curve has a curvature, right? I can construct a circle with the same curvature. How? I have not told you it. There exists. There will exist. I have not told you how to find it. In order to find the circle, we need two things. We need the radius and we need the center. But first of all, can you tell there can be two curves having the same curvature at a particular point? Agree with this statement? At a particular point, for example, what I mean is,
Yes, sir. It can
No, sir.
happen.
this is the curve. Suppose this is the point. This is the point P. So this curve has some curvature. Let us say the value is V. The curvature value is V. My question is, at this particular point, can I form another curve having the same curvature V?
नो सर, वो सबमर्ज हो जाएगा उससे,
No, sir.
क्यों नहीं?
Sir, how?
क्योंकि उसी में मिल जाएगा
Sir,
सर।
मैंने ये
एंगल ऑफ
सर
कर्वेचर,
हो सकता है मैनी कर्व्स बन सकता है।
लेकिन वैल्यू सेम नहीं होगा सर।
Sir, angle is changing the slope.
for unique value, we need unique point of intersection.
मैंने I just rotated a bit. कर्वेचर वही रहेगा, है कि नहीं? Are you getting?
ये सर, हाँ अब हो सकता
No,
है
sir.
सर, हो सकता है सर, सेम हो सकता है अगर रोटेट कर देंगे।
सर फिर से बोलिए,
Okay,
आवाज
sure.
क्लियर नहीं आया।
Okay, let's understand one more thing. This curvature, this curve at this point, suppose चलो forget V. Suppose the curvature value is 3. ठीक है. Now what I am doing is I am holding this at this इसी point पर I am just थोड़ा सा घुमा देता हूँ मैं. I am just rotating it a bit. इसको पकड़ के थोड़ा सा ऐसे घुमा दिया this side. This side. Same curve, no change. Now you tell me at this
This value
particular
will be same
point,
sir,
same
Value will be same, sir.
same
है ना, 3 ही रहेगा. Are you getting now? It's
Yes,
possible.
yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Not only the same curve, I can have different curve also. I can have a different curve also. मान लो I can have कुछ ऐसा देखने लायक. Suppose ऐसा.
Sir, if it was not rotated,
Then also
Sir, for different curves, will not the curves be parallel?
no, the different curve altogether. The shape, the different shape. The shape is different altogether. Now I take
So
this
this shape
curve.
is different and curvature is different. though.
No. See, curvature is the bending. Chalo. Okay. Let us consider this point. Chalo. Okay. Let us consider this point. Tell me this curve and this curve. Now, don't judge my drawing skills. I have taken the same thing, upwards and downwards. You tell me, the blue one and the red one, do they have the same curvature, same bending
Yes, sir.
at this
Same
particular
bending
point?
sir.
Same
हाँ सर,
bending.
bending
Yes,
same।
sir.
Now what I do is, I इसको मैं सर्कल बनाता हूं और इसको मैं पैराबोला बनाता हूं. This is a circle, this is a parabola, entirely different curve. But are they having the same curvature at this point?
Yes sir, same curvature.
Yes, sir.
So it's possible. So it is possible. Remember the basic thing. Curvature is the bending. कितना bend हो रहा है. दोनों कर्व अलग है, हो सकता है. But इस point पे दोनों same rate पे bend कर रहे हैं. That is very much feasible and possible, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
चलो.
हाँ सर।
ठीक है. Is it okay now? So I can have
sir.
different shaped curves which meet at the same point having the same curvature. ठीक है. Now what I'm saying is, it is always possible. It is always possible. Any curve, one that we'll see now. Any curve. Suppose at any point is given. At this point, this curve will have some curvature. Okay? Some value. Now it is always possible to form a circle ही. It's always possible to form a circle at that particular point having the same curvature. It is always possible. We will see how. I have not told you how. We will see how it is possible.
Sir, the circle can be of different curvature also.
Absolutely same. Absolutely same. But
Because
what I'm
sir, the
saying,
radius, if we increase or decrease, the
that
curvature will
depends. But
change.
what I'm saying, whatever be the curvature, suppose the curvature is 3, I can form a circle with curvature 3 at this point. If the curvature is 300, then I can form another circle with curvature 300 at this particular point. It is always possible.
Okay, sir.
That's what I'm saying. Whatever be the curvature, not only circle, I can form a parabola also, any curve. But we are more interested in circle. We'll see why we are interested in circle. But the idea is, at one particular point, there may be infinite curves having the same curvature. This is the main line, what I'm trying to say. Got it?
Sir, for particular curve, how many curvatures are possible?
For a particular curve at a particular point, one single curvature. क्योंकि एक पॉइंट पे तो वो कितना बेंड कर रहा है उस पॉइंट पे वही है ना.
Sir, for whole.
So whole
Infinite.
नहीं तो नहीं होगा ना, तो अलग अलग पॉइंट पे अलग अलग बेंडिंग होगा, है कि नहीं? अलग अलग पॉइंट पे जैसे ओके चलो फॉर ए सर्कल व्हाट इज द कर्वेचर, इज इट कांस्टेंट और इज चेंजिंग?
Sir, changing at point.
Constant sir, it will be constant.
सर्कल है ना,
कांस्टेंट है.
हर एक पॉइंट पे सेम रेट पे टर्न कर रहा है, बेंड हो रहा है हर एक पॉइंट पर, isn't it? At every point it is bending at the same rate, तभी तो सर्कल है, that's why the shape.
But sir, for parabola, the curvature will not be constant.
But parabola at this tip, when you have this parabola, at this tip there is a sharp bending, but as we move this side, curvature decreases, almost zero के almost becomes zero, isn't it? No bend.
हाँ सर.
पर जैसे जैसे हम टिप के पास आ रहे हैं, कर्वेचर बढ़ता गया, बढ़ते फिर घटता गया, फिर जीरो के
सर
पास.
ये तो स्लोप से ही बता सकता ना कि
ऑलमोस्ट वही तो कर्वेचर इज रिलेटेड टू, वही तो हमने पढ़ा एक दो स्टार्टिंग में, तो वही तो कर्वेचर इज द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ स्लोप ही, दिस एंगल इज रिलेटेड टू स्लोप. तो सब मिले हुए हैं, सब मिले जुले, सब भगत है सब इनकी, स्लोप कर्वेचर सब एक साथ में ही आते हैं ये लोग. So what I'm trying to say you this, so this circle is such a special curve. सर्कल और स्ट्रेट लाइन, ये दोनों ही कर्व ऐसे हैं. सर्कल में क्या है, कांस्टेंट रहता है कर्वेचर, स्ट्रेट लाइन में भी. इन स्ट्रेट लाइन आल्सो द कर्वेचर इज कांस्टेंट, that is equal to 0 at any point of a straight line. the curvature is 0, है ना, है कि नहीं? और सर्कल पे भी कांस्टेंट 0 नहीं है, बट जो भी है कांस्टेंट है, मतलब 3 या 4 कुछ तो एक होगा. क्या होगा हम देखेंगे, we'll learn, we'll see वो क्या है. But as of now, what we want to learn is, given any curve at any point, कुछ curvature होगा, उस point पे हम we can always form a circle with the same curvature, उस point पर same curvature. ठीक है, ये समझ में आया?
ठीक है.
अब आते हैं at a point P, and suppose we draw a circle. ये suppose is a मतलब it's a wrong word. We can draw. We just touches the circle, has the same curvature. तो इस circle को will be called the circle of curvature. This radius को will be called the radius of curvature of this curve. इस curve का लेकिन at this point, and center is called the center of curvature. Our job now what we learn is how to find this circle. That means ये radius कैसे निकाले और ये center कैसे निकाले. This is the next topic. That is what we are going to learn. ठीक है? And then we will move on to involute. Bus. Got it? What we have to do right now? So given any point, so basically you will be given a curve and you will be given a point. Question will be find the radius of curvature, find the center of curvature. That's all. We'll see how we can find this center and radius. Okay? This is the next part. Are we clear with what we are going to do in this
Yes.
chapter? Chalo.
Yes,
So what
sir.
I do is I'm stopping it here today. Next day, that is tomorrow, we'll start off with this radius of curvature and center of curvature. ठीक है?
Tomorrow is off.
Tomorrow is off. क्यों? Tomorrow क्या है? Oh.
स्वामी विवेकानंद जयंती.
हाँ, स्वामी विवेकानंद जन्मदिन. Right. I forgot. So that means Thursday. Thursday से है फिर तो. ठीक है? Just give me 2 minutes. I'll quickly take the attendance. Have I taken attendance? I don't know. I think I have taken attendance.
No, sir.
Yes, I have not taken attendance. Okay, chalo. We'll meet day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.